Hey, what's going on, good folks of YouTube? This is Keith, and you're watching Barber's Auto Help. And no, this is not an automobile in front of me here. This is my Maytag Brovos top loader washing machine. And this here is the model number right there. Recently had a little situation on this thing. I'd go to load it up, and then it would go to do the agitation, and it would make this horrible noise, kind of like gears stripped out or something. So I just wanted to make a video on this and take you along and show you what we found. Now, this isn't necessarily a how-to video, but you can definitely glean some information from this. So here's a little audio and visual of what my problem was and how it was sounding. Whenever it went into agitation, like I said, it just made that horrible grinding noise, and here's that clip. So yeah, right off the bat, I knew something was stripped out. I wasn't quite sure what. So I got on YouTube and I looked up a bunch of videos on how to disassemble this thing. And I went about doing that. Took the bottom parts off. I took the top parts off here. Ended up having to take the wash plate off to get down to it. But once I got the wash plate out, and oh, by the way, I destroyed my wash plate taking it out, and this is some of that good information I was telling you about. There's a particular way of taking the wash plate out where you don't have to break it, and you don't have to soak it with hot water. There's a little nut up underneath that cap there. You don't have to soak it with hot water or penetrating oil. And unfortunately, I watched the video on how to do that after I broke it. So but hopefully this will prevent somebody from doing the same thing there. I got a link to a video. There's a dude out there in YouTube land that made a really awesome video on how to replace this drive hub for the basket here. And I would recommend that you watch that video before you attempt to do this. Very good information on that. So yeah, I beat it off, but eventually I got it out, and I was able to get my wash basket out, and I was able to inspect the drive hub. And as you can see here, it stripped out pretty good. The teeth are made of plastic. I don't know why they thought it was a good idea to make teeth out of plastic for something like this, but they did. And anyway, that's what my problem was. So I replaced the drive hub on it. I think it cost me like 25 bucks, something like that. And that may even be the high end. I had to get it locally because this was an emergency repair. I had to get my washing machine back up and running. So I went ahead and got that. And unfortunately, I cost myself 100 bucks for the wash plate because I broke the darn thing trying to get it off. Sometimes I do stupid stuff when I'm in a pinch and end up breaking things. So when the wife is on you and you got to get the job done, sometimes you get a little sloppy trying to get the thing taken care of. So I broke it, whatever. So anyway, like I said, there's a link down in the description of this video to that video made by that guy that I was telling you about. Like I said, the video is pretty legit. I thought it was pretty straightforward, pretty easy to understand. I think the dude did a really good job. So go ahead and hop down there, click on that. He'll show you how to take this thing apart and do the repair. So good luck to you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Just comment down below there. I'm not an appliance technician. I'm an automobile technician, but you know, things break down around the house. I got to take care of it. So maybe this will help somebody. Thanks again, guys.